Meaning of dissemble.
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 Dissemble. The term dissemble means to conceal or disguise one's true feelings, thoughts, intentions, behavior, or character. When someone dissembles, they present a false appearance or act in a deceptive manner. This can be done for various reasons, such as to avoid punishment or criticism, to gain an advantage, or to manipulate others. Dissembling involves creating a facade that is different from one's true nature or intentions, which can lead to mistrust and misunderstanding. Ultimately, dissembling can undermine trust and damage relationships in personal and professional contexts if discovered.